Hey everyone, my name's Rachel and welcome to Travels of a Single Lady. Welcome to the first video on this channel as well, and this one is all about getting down to Southampton and boarding P&O Britannia for a week Fjords cruise. There is plenty of videos in this series to come, and this is just the first of a few. There's a room tour and then one for each day of the cruise. I'm really excited to bring this to you. This is my first proper sort of full-on vlog series and it's going to be really fun, so enjoy it. Morning everyone, it's Saturday the 1st of September. Today I am heading off to Southampton. I'm going to stay in the Southampton Travelodge tonight. Tomorrow I will board P&O Britannia. I'm so excited. I booked this well over a year ago now. I can't wait to get there, can't wait to go around the fjords and take lots of videos and just take in the scenery. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm just leaving Nelsey now. It is 11:15. Should be there in just over 2 hours, traffic dependent, obviously being the last weekend of the summer holidays. And I'll probably speak to you again when I get to Membury services. So I've made it to Membury services. It is now, I'm not sure what time it is, 12:30. So I'm aiming to be there in the next hour or so. I'm gonna go straight to the hotel, check in, dump the stuff off, and then go for a wander around the shops. So I'll see you later. Everyone, so it's now Sunday the 2nd of September. It's embarkation day. I'm super excited. So this is what I've chosen to wear for my embarkation outfit. It's a nice little Bardo flowery top from Quiz, my Matalan jeans and my trainers from Avon, and then this jacket from New Look. So last night I stayed in the Travelodge in Southampton Central. It was a lovely little hotel. So this is the room as you come in. Got hanging space and a fan and an extra towel. So you've got a big mirror. You've got the bathroom, which shower, sink, big mirror, and obviously toilet. And then back in here you've got bed, very, very comfortable bed, I must admit. And then a desk and a TV. And then this is my window, which looks straight out into a load of bus stops, but I don't know whether you can see it, but just up there, very, very short walking distance to West Quay, which is where I am about to head off to. So I'm going to go and have my makeup done. I've got an appointment at Estee Lauder, just saves me having to do it myself really. So next time I see you will probably be when I pull up to the dock and drop my car off. So I'll see you later. So I've arrived at Ocean Terminal. I've had my makeup done. I'm in a queue now because there's a lot of people who have turned up early. So it's about a 5 to 10 minute wait. But I don't know if you can see it particularly well, but there's the boat. I'm sorry, the ship. It looks big. I'm excited, and yeah, it's going to be a good week. So I'll speak to you a little bit more when I've got my luggage out and I'm heading into the terminal. I won't be able to film anything through security for obvious reasons, but then I will take you on board with me. It's so exciting. So I'll see you later. Bye. So I've dropped off my car now. I'm just walking down to the terminal. and that's what I'm going on. Other side of security now, so I'm following the sign that says to the ship.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Hello.
Hiya.
Hello, camera.
It'll be on YouTube.
I was on someone's YouTube last time. I was like, yes.
It's the first one I've done properly. I did Ventura last year, but I didn't get as much
When was
footage.
your Ventura last year?
It was probably about this time. No, it was on Halloween.
Oh, I just got off the cruise before.
No, yeah, it was Halloween's Bruges.
Coming in for a photo just here? Oh. Let me down, broke my heart. Always. Everyone's like,
Hey everyone, so I'm just back in my cabin now, waiting for muster drill. So I've got my life jacket ready. So the alarms will go off in a minute, and I'm hopefully gonna take you to muster drill with me, which will be quite good fun. See you in a bit. So it's about to go off. Any second now. There we go. Okay, so now I've got to make my way down to muster drill station A7, which is the Headliners Theatre, so I'll see you there. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed embarkation day in Southampton of P&O Britannia. Next up is going to be my sea day and formal night and the captain's gala party. So hopefully you'll come back in 2 weeks to see that one. I'm really looking forward to sharing that one with you. It was a really, really good day. But thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when my videos go live. Thanks guys, bye!